I also made these peanut butter cookies. I made these yesterday. These are 5 net carbs, and I used monk fruit to sweeten it with. And these are so amazing. I think it's because I haven't had sugar in a while, but these really, really help to make something like this. And it's so much more affordable to make your own than order them. And you know exactly what's going into them. All right, I made some low carb waffles, and I'm going to use this maple syrup. Okay, I baked these chicken wings in the oven, and I also made an Asian sauce for them. I'll show it to you. It's thickening on the stove. Smells amazing. Here's the sauce. It looks really, really good. It tastes good too. I'm going to mix it up in those wings. And this this recipe I got from KetoConnect.com. Here we go, my chicken wings with an Asian sauce. Got really crispy in the oven. Hi guys, I'm traveling today. I just wanted to show you really quickly the things I packed for on the road. Okay, so I have water, and I have my coffee, the thermos. Isn't this cute? I got this when I was traveling. And then I have a couple pepperoni sticks and a couple cheese sticks, and I have those thrown in my purse. And then I also have my Mayo electrolyte grape flavored, and I have my barbecued flavored pork skins. I can't talk today. Okay, I packed in here with a bunch of ice packs in this big insulated bag some meals that I made ahead of time, and I'm going to be somewhere where I have access to a microwave, so I'll be able to heat these meals up. And then I have in here low carb bread with pimento cheese spread and chopped up pickles in this. And then I also have some taco meat with cheese, and in a little bowl there's 2 sections. So in the bottom is sour cream, and in the top is some salsa. Grandma's chowing down on some chocolate over here. Just hung up all of her cards. Brought her a picture of Jill and some flowers. Made her this quilt on her bed. And the blanket that's around her. Okay, I'm going to do an unveiling of the Jimmy John's Unwich. So there's no bun. It's supposed to be wrapped in lettuce. Ooh, it's looking good. Oh my gosh, it's wrapped like a burrito. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing.